Okay, this is the two Wi-Fi adapter I bought from the store. Currently, I'm using Windows 10. This is the device manager and no connection on internet since this is my computer. Okay, so no adapter is hooked, even the front. So now I will plug the not functioning adapter. So I'm gonna put it here. I think this one is the adapter that is not functioning. Wait. Okay, here. So the Wi-Fi is on. It's not on airplane mode, but it doesn't display any network. So now I'm gonna replace it with functioning adapter, the second I bought. So I'm gonna remove this first. Put it here and replace it with this one. Now it does have network, and I am now connected on this network. It shows there is a network and I am connected. Okay, that adapter is good. Network adapter here. Again, I'm gonna remove this functioning adapter, replace it with a not functioning adapter. Okay, so there's a problem here. Even okay, there is still here the device manager is okay, but no network found. Okay, so that adapter is really different, not functioning. Okay, thank you.